Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So we are discussing a series on SQL videos in which first we are discussing basics and gradually we will also move to advanced SQL. And today's topic is in operator. So the SQL in operator is used to specify multiple values or subqueries in the where clause. So we will see this in operator. So the in operator allows us to specify multiple values in a where clause. And the in operator is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. So basically, for example, there is a table named as country, and I want to find all the columns from that particular country where the cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. For example, this table is having 10 cities, and I am only interested to find all the columns where cities are only these four: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Calcutta. So instead of writing multiple or condition where I need to write select star from country where city is Delhi or Mumbai or Chennai or Kolkata, I can just simply use in operator where I will say select star from country where city in, then inside the bracket I will mention Delhi, separated by comma, then Mumbai, comma, Chennai, comma, Kolkata, and then bracket close. So this is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. So we will take one example and try to execute that query in SQL Management Studio. So we have one table named customers, and I am interested to find return all the customers from Germany or UK. So there are certain number of countries in in this table, and I only want to get all the columns where country lies in Germany and UK. Then this is how I will write the in operator, where country then in, and then I will use bracket and mention the name of countries separated by comma. So let's see this in SQL Management Studio. So this is the table that we are having, and there are four columns: customer ID, name, city, and country, and five records or five rows. So you can see there are Germany, Mexico, UK, and Sweden. So there are basically three countries in this, and I want to select all the customers from this table where country is in Germany and UK. So this is how I will write the query: select star from customers where country in, and then this. So if I execute this query, I should get only Germany and UK row. That means I should get 1 and 4. So this is how we are getting the final result set, and you can see country are Germany and UK, and rest all countries are not coming in the final result set. So this is basically our in operator. And let's see syntax. So this is the syntax: select, then column names, from, then name of the table, where, column name for which we are interested to specify the conditions, like we here in the previous example we were having country in, and then we can specify the values for which we want to specify the condition. For example, out of those four countries we were only interested to find those countries where country is either UK or Germany. So this is the syntax. We can also use note in. So by using note keyword in front of in operator, it returns all records that are not any of the values in the list. So initially in the previous example we discussed how we can find those columns where country is in Germany and UK. Now let's take a opposite approach. I want to select all the customer where country is not Germany or UK. I don't know which countries I want, but I'm sure I don't want Germany and UK. So this is how I will write the query: select star from customers where country not in. So instead of just writing in, I am writing not in, and I am writing Germany and UK. So if I execute this query, I will get all the columns from this table where any country but not these two countries, Germany and UK. So let's see this in SQL Management Studio. So this is the same query that I just shown you in the presentation, and if I execute this query, I will get this result set. You can see Mexico is coming, Sweden is coming, but neither Germany is coming nor UK is coming because I have used not in operator. So this is the significance of not in operator. It is very useful when I'm not sure what I want in the result set, but I'm very sure that I don't want these particular values in the final result set. So this is the significance of this not in operator. So that was all for in operator. I hope you find this video useful, and we will discuss our next operator in the next video. In case you have any doubts or you need any clarification in what we are discussing, feel free to comment your queries in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel for regular updates. And so basically we have a plan to move to advanced queries soon once we complete the basics. So stay tuned. Thank you, friends.